So now I took this one, I made it loose. I'm gonna take this cover off now, and I'm gonna check if that screen is gonna fit into the other 32-inch Samsung LED TV. So this is the one screen I'm gonna take off, guys. This is the one screen, the cracked one. You see there at the back, there's the crack on it. Alright, take him off to one side. Then this one, this is basically the LCD screen. This thing is broken, you can throw your TV away. But I kept this too. This one was still working, but it went on and off. This one had a crack, so I'm going to place this screen into this one. I'm just attempting it. I'm going to find out now to see if it's going to work. So guys, I replaced the screen. The screen is in. There you can see the screen is in there. The other one from the other TV. So, see the wire this plugs in there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to plug it in now and see if it works. Hopefully it's going to work. Hopefully it's going to work. Just keep my fingers crossed. Just see if it's going to work. Plug it in. Standing around here. Just laying there quickly. Okay, the light is on. You just get the remote and see. Let's see if it goes on. It's on. And it works. There's no aerial plug in, but it works. When I will put it in now, the signal, then the signal will work. Nothing else will work, but there the TV is working now. No more cracked screen. So guys, I'm just closing everything up now. Then I'm going to put the aerial in. And then I'm going to see how's the picture quality. And see if it works properly. Okay guys, I've assembled the TV. I plugged it in. So, let's just check. The aerial wire is in. Let's just check. So guys, the TV is working now. It's only the lines. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to tap it. The square blocks is away. And I got it smaller and smaller and smaller. So I'm just doing this. So that is how, what I did to replace my screen from the one TV to the other one. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe if you can.